hope everyone's well. Going to be an internet cable repair. Clip's gone on this internet cable, which means it won't stay in the hole. This is just an old Xbox 360 board that's busted, but you can see it won't stay in there, which is really annoying on things like routers, because all of a sudden you lose your internet. My router upstairs is actually patched this way. I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. So you probably want something to hold it still, blue tack, or in my case a vice. Go over vice, as my hypnotist told me. Then you're going to need two cable ties. Two cable ties are going to be 2.5mm wide by 1mm thick. 3mm may work. I'm hoping the camera's still recording because it didn't on the last attempt. So what I'm going to do is just bend that over like that. And you want that about there. You want to clip it about there. So I'm going to go with that. Make a loop with the other cable tie. Put your first cable tie on like that. Actually put it on like that. Then your thing to hold it while you hit it. Put that there, and then you can sod around with how much length you want. Here you want it about there, I'd say. So I'm just going to pull that tight. Check it. It's about right. I'm going to cut that there. And cut that there. Nearly there. So that is our spring-loaded mechanism, which is going to basically fly up and catch the inside of the thing, but it's not quite there yet because it's too high. Now you can either sod around and finesse it, or you can just say screw it. I'm going to cut about half of it, so I'm going to cut. You can either cut it flat with a thing, which probably is a bit overkill. I would cut it about there. So now you've got a kind of a catch on a springy thing, a thing on a spring, which when you put your cable in, will now catch it. And now, you pull around on that, it's not going anywhere. If you want to get it out, you just push it like that. It's not a permanent fix, but it can certainly get you out of a bind. You can see that it takes a little bit of fiddling to make it catch. So that's caught now. And again, there you go. So hopefully that helps someone, and I'll see you all later. Cheers, bye.